Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about old makeup favorites that are still incredible and great. We are bombarded literally every day with new makeup, new releases. Everybody on TikTok for sure is recommending new. Everything is new. And I'm doing the same. Sometimes I'm just buying new makeup and I love new makeup. So yeah, let's stop rambling and start with some products that I just love, that are old favorites. The Catrice concealer, as you can see, I have two shades and I did repurchase this one. I think it's my third. This is my third and fourth bottle or something like that. It's just a great concealer from the drugstore. It is medium to full coverage. You can build it up and it's very affordable and you can't mess this one up. It looks really nice. Under the eyes, you can cover some pimples with this one. It's just so great. And sometimes, again, we are forgetting old favorites that are still, to this day, incredible. And makeup is, of course, evolving, but these are still lovely. The Huda powder as well. Still the best powder in my humble opinion. It is expensive, but it's worth it. You get a lot of product in here. It's just setting everything into place. It doesn't look dry. It looks just smooth, nice, set, matte, and it wears great throughout the day. I really love it. Another product that is just a great product and still the best cream bronzer out there, it's the Rare Beauty stick. This is my second one. I absolutely love it. It is so easy to use. You can just draw it on your face, blend it with a sponge, and it looks nice. I really want to use it right now. I want to just remove my makeup and use all of these because I know that my makeup will look just great. The Shellie blush from Benefit, I'm recommending this every time it is possible. It's just a very nice formula, just so easy to blend, not too pigmented, shimmery but not glittery, not emphasizing every pore. It's just a lovely blush, and this shade is so wearable. I really love this one, and as well this one. This is a very old product, but it's so lovely. This is the Soft and Gentle highlighter from MAC. You know that this is old school, but still, if you want a very natural, smooth, but still shimmery and nice highlighter, this is the one. It looks so elevated still to this day. This highlighter is just great overall. For brows, this one, I did repurchase it a million times. The Fluff and Hold, still the best brow gel. Today I'm wearing the one from Maybelline, but I still prefer this one. It is a great brow gel. I can trust it, and I repurchased it like, I don't know, 8 times. I have no idea, I lost count. It's just that great. For lips, the Nabla lip pencils. Everybody's releasing some lip products, but again, let's not forget the ones that created this I don't know, formula that is a sharpenable pencil that is a bit creamy and long lasting. This is the, I don't know, maybe not old school, but it's been released for some years and it is still, in my opinion, one of the best lip liner formula. A formula that, I'm sorry, this is way better than the ABH Lip Velvet, and this is again an old formula. This is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. Yeah, this is very thin, and right now I love a more glossy lip. This one is a matte one, but somehow this is thin, so it's wearable even though it is matte. The velvet ones, in my opinion, are just way too dry. That is my opinion. I love this one. It's a very good old favorite. And for a gloss, this one is still beautiful. This is Milky Gloss from NYX. I really like it. It is like a glossy, pigmented lip gloss, but at the same time, it's just, I don't know, let's apply some. As you can see, it is very pigmented and a bit with substance. It's not that thin, but it's not goopy, it's not sticky, it's not uncomfortable. It smells incredible. It is still smelling incredible, and I had this one for a bit, and it looks juicy. Still a great product. For eyeshadows, I was thinking what to recommend, and this is not the oldest OG palette out there, but still, it's been some years, and this is wowing me. I hope that these kind of palettes will not be the last palettes in the makeup industry that are wowing me, because some palettes are just so boring. This is what I want, something unique, something, sure, it is pretty neutral, but we have some pops, something a bit unexpected. I really love this palette. It is one of my favorites. The formula is lovely, and we have options in here, and you have variety, light shades, dark shades, very easy to blend mattes, shimmery shades that are stunning. Love this palette, it is a great one. And we have this one as well. I'm wearing it today. It's just a great mascara. The Lash Princess from Essence. It is still, after years, good years, is still a great mascara. And I am hearing from time to time about this mascara again and again, because it is that great. It's just a staple. If I want my lashes to look great, I know that I can trust that mascara. And as well, I want to add in here a fragrance, because Kayali is releasing 1 million perfumes, and I love Kayali. It is my favorite brand for perfumes. She just knows, the brand in general, I'm not talking only about the owner, but the brand knows how to create a good perfume. I have no idea how they always, if I'm reading the notes and the notes are sounding good, the perfume will be lovely. So I can trust it blindly. I can purchase a perfume. Usually I'm buying these smaller bottles because I have way too many perfumes, and this is more affordable. I don't need 100 milliliters of a perfume. This is just more than enough. But I want this one. This is still lovely. It is the Juicy Apple, the Eden Juicy Apple. Still a lovely perfume. This bottle is absolutely stunning. And this is a fruity, sweet perfume, but somebody that loves sweet perfumes and somebody that loves fruity perfumes, they could both enjoy this perfume, because it is not too fruity, not too sweet, not too, I don't know, without substance. It is a complex scent, and I love it. It is a great scent, still an incredible scent, and I'm sure that you can layer this one with some maybe woody notes. I'm not good at layering scents, but I heard that this is a pretty good layering scent. So this was everything that I wanted to mention. These are incredible products, and I think it is important from time to time just to mention great makeup that you probably already own, and we can all shop our stashes and enjoy makeup that we already have, because these products are still great, and we need to remember about them, because we already have great products in our collection. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.